I am not a professional carpet cleaner, nor do I plan on being one, but if I can do this, you can do this. Yes, I did wake up like this on a Saturday morning and wear my pajamas while I was cleaning, but don't judge me. Watch how easy this is. A little carpet cleaner, and you're supposed to measure a half a cup per gallon, which I did, and then hot water. Okay, so this is the dirty tank. I did a couple passes to try this out, and check this out, you guys. Oh my gosh. Ew. I swear I vacuumed before I started, and that is dirty water. Ew, ew, ew. I'm done cleaning my carpets, and I am really excited because when I find good products, I definitely want to share them, and this green machine is worth its weight in gold. So I made a list of a couple of tips I want to give you. So I followed the directions. It said to vacuum your carpet, which I did, and then spot treat anything that you want spot treated, which I did. It also says to use really hot water. I did that, and I could definitely feel the heat from the water when I was vacuuming. So I also cleaned everything up. So as you can see, we want to take care of all of our products, treat things the way you want them treated. And the cool thing about this, you guys, is this retails for $600. I bought this for $600, and I want everybody to be able to use it. I think products are made like this. This bad boy is pretty cool. It's sturdy. So, well, why can't people use it in between? So I'm so excited to offer this product to you guys and have you use it and feel the benefits like me, because I feel really awesome. You know, it's 9:30 and then my carpets are clean, and it's great.